Good morning. These are the BBC notice. For today, we have a notice related with the country Germany. So the German government is in a financial crisis. The total current now 6 billion of euros aiming at climate problems, which of course will affect the budget of the next year and will cause big problem for the society and the families. The government hopes in 2004 raise taxes and cut the subsidies for solutioning a financial crisis. A big risk is for private companies, and the investment in the public sector also affects the family. Experts say that the German debt may rise, but the crisis is not that big yet. The society hopes that the next year we have different solutions for the financial crisis and that going is everything well.